Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Iqbal Mulyamin with name 26. In here, I will presentation about baby incubator with overshoot reduction system using PID control equipped with heart rate monitoring based on the IoT or Internet of Things. Published at 28 June 2023, volume IG Tech Vol 14 number 4 2023. Here overview about abstract, introduction, method, result, and conclusion. Abstract, factoring causing premature infant mortality include the lack of simple care and inadequate equipment such as a baby incubator. Premature babies are very susceptible to heart disorder, including congenital heart defect. Congenital heart defect can cause a fetus to be born prematurely. The current research related to this matter was further conducted, aiming to develop a baby incubator with a pursuit reduction system, especially for babies with heart defect that can be monitored remotely using an IoT system. In this study, the AHT-10 sensor was used for room temperature sensing in the baby incubator. Temperature control was achieved using a closed-loop PID system. In this case, the monitoring of the baby's heart rate employ leads to tap the heart's electrical signal. The transmission consisted of temperature readings, ECG signal, and heart rate. The microdata was processed into digital data, which were sent via the Raspberry Pi, sent via the internet to access the cloud Firebase. After that, the Firebase data were downloaded from the Android system. The formal result saw in the temperature test. The error value was below 5% and the PID control method can reduce the pursuit temperature by no more than 5% in the addition. It was also determined that steady state error value was 2%. The test statistical test on the ECG signal further obtained value V equal 0.05. Furthermore, the data transmission test using IoT did not find data loss when sending the data, and the minimum speed required for data transmission was 5 kbps. This research further implied the user or the patient family could easily monitor the baby's development anywhere and anytime. Next, introduction. Approximately 15 million and 1 million premature babies dead yearly because of the gap in the survival between high and low income countries. In this case, premature babies are born before 34 weeks of gestation. According to UNICEF, birth in Indonesia rank fifth with premature babies on January 18, 2018. Many premature babies die due a lack of simple care and adequate equipment, such as incubator. The incubator is a medical treatment tool for premature babies that provides warmth, humidity, and oxygen as newborn require in controlled condition. In addition, premature babies are also very susceptible to heart disorder, and even congenital heart defect can cause the fetus to be born prematurely. Next method, in the study, the sensor IHT-10 sensor was used for room temperature sensing in the baby's incubator. The temperature control used a PID control with a closed loop that was given interference in the baby incubator, which is which was linked to when the temperature of the incubator room was stable. In this case, the new baby was put by the nurse. So the door of the baby incubator box opened for a few minutes, which result disturbance in temperature reading. The design of VID controller setting the temperature as an input to the microcontroller, then a closed loop system is used in this method to control the room temperature on the baby incubator by using the AHT-10 sensor to sense the room. The result, the performance of PID control was also very good, and it now steady error value was 2%. This showed that PID control was able to reduce the overshoot temperature well. As evident in the 121 minutes disturbance experiment was carried out by opening the baby incubator door to keep a baby simulation for 5 minutes. And the result was that the temperature dropped 31 Celsius and overshoot occurred at 155 minutes. It is known that overshoot value was also still at the threshold and the steady state error value was still the same at 2%. In conclusion, the research aimed to reduce overshoot in baby incubator using the PID method, especially for the babies with heart defect, which can be monitored remotely using the IoT system. After investigating the performance of the PID method for incubator temperature control system, it was found the steady state error value was 2%, while the result of measurement using the InTune analyzer obtained the highest overshoot value at T4 with temperature reaching 38 till 1.3 Celsius. It can be concluded that the performance of PID control system is very good for reducing temperature overshoot in a baby incubator and is suitable for medical purpose. Then testing was also carried out on the ECG for heart rate or BPM on the ECG signal using the t-test statistical test. And the result obtained were per value like 0.05. From this value, it showed that this system is feasible to be used for medical purpose because there is no significant difference in value. Data transmission using IoT is also tested by changing several BPS speed with a speed setting of 5 kbps until 50 kbps. The result obtained are there is no data loss when sharing data, and the minimum speed required from transmission is 5 kbps. However, there is a delay with an average time of 3.67 seconds in the data transmission process. From the overall result of measuring and test carried out, it can be concluded that the method used is suitable for use according to medical standard. For further research developments, researchers want to develop central monitoring of baby incubator so that nurse or user can easily monitor several baby incubator in the NICU room. Thank you. Maybe just this enough for my presentation. Thank you. Amikum Namin. Say thank you. Say goodbye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.